Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I want to thank y'all guys for coming back and watching these videos. I appreciate you so much. If you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, as like I told y'all guys, I already knew NOLA Southern Experience was going to sell out. So we're probably right at maybe in 2 weeks we'll sell out. If you have not registered and you still in 2 weeks cannot register, still go to our website and get on the wait list, okay? If you have not registered, I urge you to register. The NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. It's this year. In July, we're getting ready. And I want to thank everyone for their support. And speaking of getting ready, all these dances that I'm going to be posting on this channel moving forward is to get you ready for NOLA Southern Experience. In fact, you can visit our website at www, that's where you would register, LMIUNOLA.com. Scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the event itinerary for the whole entire 4 days and also the partial playlist. We have a lot of work to do, okay? So, instructors, let's get busy. So, if you're interested in, this is the instructional, but if you want to dance along to this line dance, make sure you have the right steps. Watch till the end and just click on the video. This next dance I'm going to teach you is called 757 Let's Ride. 757 Let's Ride. And there's 3 parts, okay? We're going to start off with part 1, 2, and 3. We're going to start at 1 again. But the rotation changed. We're not going to do 1, 2, and 3. We're going to do 1, 3, and 2. And then we're going to do 3 and 2. Okay? So you actually do part 1 just twice. So let's go. Alright, so I'm going to start at this wall here. Okay? So 3 parts and it's a 1 wall dance. Okay? So you're going to step to the side. Step behind. Pivot back to the front. Okay, so you're going to go right to your right, left, right, pivot on the left, coming back to the front. And then my left heel is up, and you're going to do the same thing. Step left, going to your left, step behind, step, and pivot turn on the right, coming back to the front. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, and when you do that pivot, you're step behind, left, right. You're transferring your weight. Left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. So you can't see it, but when I do that pivot, whenever you do a pivot, you transfer your weight. So if you go right, left, so I'm really extravagating, making a move big, but right, left. You can't really see it, but I am transferring my weight right into the left, right, left. So that's what you're doing on this turn. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So the same thing you're doing on the right, you're doing on the left. When you come back here, you go out and cross, out and cross, out and cross, out and cross. We're going to do that 4 times. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And that's part 1. So let's put it together and you're going to do it twice. All right? So step to to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Back to the front. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Out and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So it ends on the left, and I'm going to step out to my right again and do this part again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Make sure you come back to the front. 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, left, 7 and 8. Okay, so that's part 1. Now part 2, I'm going to just turn it to the side, and then I'm going to turn back this way. I'm going to step right, left, lift, right, left, tick, right, left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So step on your right, lift, right, left, tick, right, left. That's the step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Coming back on the left is just and. This way. So this is part 2. We're going to tap, lift, step forward on that right, lift, right, left, tick, right, left, right, left, lift, right, left, tick, right, left, right, left, lift, right, left, tick, right, left. You do that 2 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. And it's on the left. To finish up, you come back on that right, on your toe, you lift up and come down. Back on that right, lift up and come down. Back on that right, lift up and come down. Back on that right, lift up and come back down. So it's 1, down, 2, 3, and 4. Step first, okay? Step first. Bring it back first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's what it is. You come back on 1, lift and down on 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, back, 7 and. You're going to come back to the front. So 1 and 2. So come back on 1, 1. You're not turning. And so you lift and turn and come down on 2. Back 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Back 1 and 2. All right, so that's part 2. So let's do it again. You're going to lift and tick on the left. 1, 2. Lift and tick. Right, left. Make sure you step back on your left. That is your last step. Then go 1 and 2. Okay, so that takes you all the way around the room. 5, 6, 7, part 2. 1 and 2, right, leap, and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's part 2. Remember, when you finish, you gotta come back. Right, left. The last step is gonna be on the left, and you come back on the right. So let's put part 1 and 2 together. We have one more part, and it's easy. All right? Remember, we step into the side, coming back to the front. 1, 2, pivot, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, and 7, 8, out and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Do it again. 1, 2, pivot, 3, 4, back to the front, left, 5, 6, and 7, 8, out and cross, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, step lift, 1 and 2, tick, 3 and 4, lift, 5 and 6, tick, 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Okay. Part 3. I'm going to teach you at this wall here. It's not easy, hard at all. But I'm going to make a half turn, so I don't want my back to be to the camera, okay? So, what we're going to do. Side rock, recover. Side rock, and shuffle, shuffle. Side rock, recover, shuffle, shuffle. So you're shuffling back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is right, left, right. We do it on the left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're not going to shuffle back twice because that 8 is going to come into the front, will be our transition. Okay? Again, on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, cross, step, cross, left, right, cross, step, step. Okay, again, side rock, recover. 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So check this out. The reason why I want you to come on 8 on the left, because I'm getting ready to rock forward. So this is what happens if you don't do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're kind of crossing, so it kind of puts you off balance. So go 1, 2, 3, and 4. See how you go forward? Because I'm getting ready to rock forward on the right. Rock, recover, easy, half. With my right shoulder coming back. Make it a half turn, and I'm going to skate back. Right, left, right, left. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. So part 1 I did twice. Part 2 I did twice. And now on part 3, I'm going to do twice. So part 1, I did I came back to my front wall. Part 2, I did all 4 walls. And part 3, I'm going to do the front and back wall. So side rock, recover. 1, 2, shuffle back. 3 and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right up. 1, 2, recover, easy. 3, 4, skate back. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. That's all 3 parts. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, step, 8. Right up. 1, 2, turn back half. 3, 4. Skate back. 5, 6, 7, 8. I skated back. Right, left, right, left. And I'm going to start over again. Part 3. Do that again. 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7, step, 8. Right up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skate back. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. That was part 1, 2, and 3. So your rotation, part 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to do 1 again. Then you do 3. What's 3? Side rock, recover. Then 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then go back to 2. Side rock, recover. And then do, so it's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 3, 2, and 3, 2. Okay? Again, 1, 2, and 3. 1 is, step to your your side, pivot back to the front. 2 is tap lift with the tip. 3 is side rock recover and shuffle back. So you do 1, 2, and 3. Then you do 1 again. Okay, remember you do each one twice. Okay, then you do 3. Side rock recover, shuffle back. Then you do 2. Then you do 3 again. And then 2. No, you do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2. And 3, 2. And something like that. I forgot. Did I forget? You'll see it in the dance, okay? I apologize. I'm confusing myself and I don't want to confuse you. So make sure you watch the demo and you'll see the rotation. Okay? Let me see if I have it in my phone right quick. Oh, I do. I apologize for confusing you. So let's go. 1 wall, 3 parts. Part 1, 2, and 3, like I said. Part 1, 3, 2, and 3, 2. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 3, 2, 3, 2. That's the rotation. Okay? I apologize for confusing you. So if you have not registered for the NOLA Southern Experience, get it done, y'all. We're closing out registration. Let's mess it up. So line dancing. Our volunteers, we are getting ready. Our back office, we are getting ready to receive our guests. Go over to our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com, and I want to thank everyone that have registered. I appreciate y'all guys. We're going to have a wonderful time. Scroll down if you want to see, down the page if you want to see the itinerary for the whole entire weekend. And also, while you're there, you can view the playlist. Get those dances down, guys. I said divided between beginners and intermediate. It's a partial playlist. We will be adding more dances, and moving forward, I will be teaching those dances on this channel. So I will be updating the list again in March, okay? So guys, I thank you for watching. Remember, I'm going to post the demo so we can dance together to make sure you have the right steps. Thank you guys for watching, and guess what? I'll see you in the next video.